Okay, where do we leave off? I don't even remember. But at any rate, we check our fit. Fit's pretty good. Come on, get back up. So we'll switch back to a drill chuck, come back to halfway, put in the hole for our 1/4 inch bolt. That well just took care of that bit too. So just bring this way down. Holes, good to go. What's next? Well, we have to do our radius for our to expose our rollers, and let's see how we're going to do it. Next step on our Wright roller kit would be to do boring on our end pieces. We're going to get lined up here first. Get some coordinates on the go here. We're riding on the action cam today because my regular camera is conspicuous by its absence, and I'm thinking shop assistant Jake is taking it home. Get this down to a reasonable level. Actually, I don't need my zero there. I need to get on the back side of this. That's why it's sticking out of there. So, set her at 100 there. Double check. Oop, too far. There's 99, and there's 100. Okay, well, we're going to go off the end of our vice jaw, because that's what we'll use to align our parts. Right there. triple check on this one. Right there. Okay. So that will give us our alignment. So we'll just take our piece, we'll slide it in. Use another piece to align it with the end of the jaw. Come on, settle down there. That was good. Oh, that one helped. All right. So we're back. We got a nice new shiny center drill in there. So we'll get to our measurements here. Now we need this in the middle. Our piece is wound up being, well, in there, 1988. So we're going to run in there 994 and get to the middle of it. That should be our 0. Okay. All right. 94. Right about there. So we'll lock our Y. Spec on this thing is 1.758. So we'll lock our X, and we should be pretty much it. What you think? Give her. Okay, let's go get some fluid. Go through the center hole here. And we're going to drop this down a ways. So what I have planned is we're going to use a 5/8 end mill to plunge cut these holes, and we'll run a 1/4 inch pilot through there first. End mills are okay, but they're not great drill bits, so. Get that out. And we'll get our drill chuck out. And we'll fit this guy in there, see how this does. Should be interesting. We're going to have enough travel. Oh, barely. just made it on travel. Okay, now for giggles. Let's just see how this hole is on tolerance. Go get a pin. Yeah, it's got a little bit of play. I think that might be just nice though for what we're going to use it for. So 630. 630, that's not bad. I can live with that. So, on to the next one. Should be a simple matter to switch back to our drill, swap out our piece, and go again. Okay, so now that we got our holes done, we want to give the corners a little bit of a bevel, so I'm going to clean everything up here, and we've got a little countersink set up in the drill chuck. Should be a simple matter to lay these guys back in there. Not too far. Flush them up on the ends. Now I've got a quill stop put in there, a little bit higher, I think. So we'll come down against our quill stop, and we'll do the first one by using the knee, and then we should get them all the same. See how that looks. That's not bad. We only need a little small bevel on them. So we should be able to flip this guy. Reel on it and do the other side of the quill. Not too bad at all. A little bit more, let's see if we get less squeak. Okay, so I'll finish this up and we'll figure out what the next step is, I guess. So the spec in this diagram lists that top hole as a 1/8 inch hole, and with the angle on it, that looks suspiciously like a number 4 center drill to me. So we're going to clamp this thing up. We got a thickness on these. Oh, well, actually I've worn it all off. So let's go measure one. of 477. So just go in here halfway. And half of our 19980, I believe it was 994. There's 994. A quick check. Looks good. High gear at the end. Now let's do the same quill stop trick with these guys. Okay, that's our quill stop. Just bring the knee up until we get to the dimension we want. A little more. A little more. So, so if we're going to stick the spec, this should be a 1/4 inch wide hole. And we're running about 230. So let's bring this up another few thousandths. Have a look at it there. That's the 250 she's going to get. Contestant number 2. Number 3. Done deal. So far so good. All I have to figure out now is how I'm going to do this little cutout in here. Haven't got a plan together yet. Think about it overnight and probably tackle it in the morning.